初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
How's your morning been so far?
How's your morning been so far?
今天上午过得怎么样？
How's your morning been so far?
How's your morning been so far?
Lovely to greet you today.
Lovely to greet you today.
今天见到你真高兴。
Lovely to greet you today.
Lovely to greet you today.
What a fresh and nice day.
What a fresh and nice day.
多么清新美好的一天。
What a fresh and nice day.
What a fresh and nice day.
Did you bring your lunch with you?
Did you bring your lunch with you?
你带午餐了吗？
Did you bring your lunch with you?
Did you bring your lunch with you?
I'm good, thank you very much.
I'm good. Thank you very much.
我很好，非常感谢。
I'm good, thank you very much.
I'm good. Thank you very much.
Take care on your way to work.
Take care on your way to work.
上班路上小心。
Take care on your way to work.
Take care on your way to work.
Can we talk about the plan first?
Can we talk about the plan first?
我们能先谈谈计划吗？
Can we talk about the plan first?
Can we talk about the plan first?
This shirt is really worth buying.
This shirt is really worth buying.
这件衬衫真的很值得买。
This shirt is really worth buying.
This shirt is really worth buying.
I'm hungry. Can I have a burger?
I'm hungry. Can I have a burger?
我饿了。我能吃个汉堡吗？
I'm hungry. Can I have a burger?
I'm hungry. Can I have a burger?
Would you like some fries with it?
Would you like some fries with it?
要配些薯条吗？
Would you like some fries with it?
Would you like some fries with it?
Be careful on the wet floor.
Be careful on the wet floor.
小心地滑。
Be careful on the wet floor.
Be careful on the wet floor.
Let's talk and reach an agreement.
Let's talk and reach an agreement.
我们谈谈并达成协议吧。
Let's talk and reach an agreement.
Let's talk and reach an agreement.
This pen is cheap and durable.
This pen is cheap and durable.
这支笔便宜又耐用。
This pen is cheap and durable.
This pen is cheap and durable.
It's sunny. Let's dry the clothes out.
It's sunny. Let's dry the clothes out.
天气晴朗。我们把衣服晾出去吧。
It's sunny. Let's dry the clothes out.
It's sunny. Let's dry the clothes out.
I hope we can adjust the time.
I hope we can adjust the time.
我希望我们能调整时间。
I hope we can adjust the time.
I hope we can adjust the time.
Shall we share the dessert together?
Shall we share the dessert together?
我们一起分享甜点，好吗？
Shall we share the dessert together?
Shall we share the dessert together?
Can I ask about the shoe size?
Can I ask about the shoe size?
我能问一下鞋码吗？
Can I ask about the shoe size?
Can I ask about the shoe size?
I'd like a cup of lemon tea.
I'd like a cup of lemon tea.
我想要一杯柠檬茶。
I'd like a cup of lemon tea.
I'd like a cup of lemon tea.
Your new watch looks so nice.
Your new watch looks so nice.
你的新手表真好看。
Your new watch looks so nice.
Your new watch looks so nice.
How much is this lovely pen?
How much is this lovely pen?
这支可爱的笔多少钱？
How much is this lovely pen?
How much is this lovely pen?
Do you have this in beige color?
Do you have this in beige color?
这个有米色的吗？
Do you have this in beige color?
Do you have this in beige color?
Can I split the bill with you?
Can I split the bill with you?
我能和你分摊账单吗？
Can I split the bill with you?
Can I split the bill with you?
Any nice stationery nearby?
Any nice stationery nearby?
附近有好的文具店吗？
Any nice stationery nearby?
Any nice stationery nearby?
Where can I find a shoe store?
Where can I find a shoe store?
我在哪里能找到鞋店？
Where can I find a shoe store?
Where can I find a shoe store?
Thanks for talking things through.
Thanks for talking things through.
谢谢你把事情谈清楚。
Thanks for talking things through.
Thanks for talking things through.
Excuse me, can we make a deal?
Excuse me, can we make a deal?
打扰一下，我们能达成交易吗？
Excuse me, can we make a deal?
Excuse me, can we make a deal?
Go straight to the white building.
Go straight to the white building.
直走到那栋白色建筑。
Go straight to the white building.
Go straight to the white building.
Could you rate this notebook for me?
Could you rate this notebook for me?
你能为我评价一下这个笔记本吗？
Could you rate this notebook for me?
Could you rate this notebook for me?
Is there a stationery shop nearby?
Is there a stationery shop nearby?
附近有文具店吗？
Is there a stationery shop nearby?
Is there a stationery shop nearby?
Can you speak a little clearer?
Can you speak a little clearer?
你能说得更清楚一点吗？
Can you speak a little clearer?
Can you speak a little clearer?
Could you talk about it again?
Could you talk about it again?
你能再谈谈这件事吗？
Could you talk about it again?
Could you talk about it again?
Take your time and don't rush.
Take your time and don't rush.
慢慢来，别着急。
Take your time and don't rush.
Take your time and don't rush.
How do I get to the shoe store?
How do I get to the shoe store?
我怎么去鞋店？
How do I get to the shoe store?
How do I get to the shoe store?
Would you share an apple with me?
Would you share an apple with me?
你愿意和我分享一个苹果吗？
Would you share an apple with me?
Would you share an apple with me?
I like this simple notebook a lot.
I like this simple notebook a lot.
我非常喜欢这个简单的笔记本。
I like this simple notebook a lot.
I like this simple notebook a lot.
That's a fair way to settle it.
That's a fair way to settle it.
那是个公平的解决办法。
That's a fair way to settle it.
That's a fair way to settle it.
This lemon tea is sweet and sour.
This lemon tea is sweet and sour.
这杯柠檬茶酸甜可口。
This lemon tea is sweet and sour.
This lemon tea is sweet and sour.
You're so easy to talk with.
You're so easy to talk with.
和你聊天真轻松。
You're so easy to talk with.
You're so easy to talk with.
I think this pen is really good.
I think this pen is really good.
我觉得这支笔真的很好。
I think this pen is really good.
I think this pen is really good.
Don't worry. All is settled well.
Don't worry. All is settled well.
别担心，一切都妥善解决了。
Don't worry. All is settled well.
Don't worry. All is settled well.
I truly appreciate your kindness.
I truly appreciate your kindness.
我真心感谢你的好意。
I truly appreciate your kindness.
I truly appreciate your kindness.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。